Well, moving on, and whether you prefer choc chip or Anzac, everyone has a favourite bicky, right? And if you're looking for baking projects this weekend, these biscuits are easy and delicious. Just BYO coffee or tea.
Well, here to show us how is the healthy chef, Teresa Cutter. Morning to you, Teresa.
Morning,
Look
guys.
at this glorious spread that you've prepared here.
I have been baking a treat.
Looks like you've been baking for years, but you probably knocked this up in 10 minutes, knowing you.
No, yeah, I'll explain what they are.
Go for it, please.
Today I'm making healthy olive oil Anzac biscuits for everybody to try at home, which is fantastic. And these are these ones here. But I've also made traditional Anzac biscuits. I've put oatmeal in them as well, and choc chips, and you can vary up, you know, all the recipes and ingredients. Traditionally, an Anzac biscuit has butter. It's got refined sugar. It's got white flour, but mine's got heart healthy olive oil. I've got less sugar. I'm using a little bit of honey instead of traditional the golden syrup that's normally in them, and they are delicious. And I will just show you how easy it is to make, and easy it is to make for everybody at home as well. So I've got rolled oats in here. I've got some desiccated coconut. I've got spelt flour, wholemeal spelt flour in my ingredients, and all you need to pretty much do, it's pretty much really simple to do, and mix it all up.
Oh, gosh, it smells good, doesn't it?
It smells so good. A little bit of bicarb soda in the actual dry mix, and then we're going half a cup of
what's that? That's
olive oil,
right?
And half a cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey as well. It's pretty much as simple as that, guys. And all you need to do is give it a good mix. I just want to use a little bit of water here just to make the mix a little bit more wetter.
Something that Matt always has trouble with biscuits.
Go on, Mum,
is
please.
If you is rolling them in a ball, and then he says that it gets really sticky on his hands.
Rolling him in a ball gets sticky on his hands. Well, you know what? I like to use an ice cream scoop for this. Let me just show you how to do this.
Yeah, see, that gets around it lovely. That's a great solution, elegant solution.
Yeah, nice.
So you need to mix this really well, but pretend this is mixed in really well. So I've got that here.
Because so do you, Teresa, strive for a definite crunch or a little bit malleable? Are they a bit malleable?
Yeah,
the Anzac?
I like them soft and malleable.
Yeah, okay.
My husband likes them crunchy. So the trick is to make them crunchy. Just leave them in the oven for 3 minutes more, and they'll be nice and crunchy.
All?
That extra 3 minutes will do it.
Yeah, if you want them soft, just take them out a little bit beforehand.
Okay.
But let me just show you. Ice cream scoop, perfect. So these will form nice little biscuits.
Look at that.
What will they think of next?
No more sticky fingers.
No more sticky fingers, but then all you need to do really, you can wet your fingers, but just press them down on a baking tray.
See what?
You bake them for 20 minutes.
Scoop, press, bake.
Yeah, scoop, press, bake. Make them for 20 minutes, and you know what? You can top them if you're gluten-free. You can sub quinoa flakes for the oats. They're so easy. The recipe is on your website as well. But it's really good. And I've got things like you've got little oats here. You've got you've got walnuts. You've got pumpkin seeds for a bit of zinc. You've got walnuts for omega-3. If you want to use some chocolate, you can use chocolate and make these beautiful little chocolate ones.
Look at that with a big chunk of chocolate on the
That big
top.
chunk, that's excellent presentation. It's decorative, but also packs the flavour punch.
I know.
Figs?
I've got figs. You can even put figs in them or sultanas. But look, I like the more traditional way. I like, just the oats and plain and whatnot there. But I've also got some little hemp seeds on these ones as well. But, really easy to make.
Mum's taking some liberties already. I hope you don't mind.
I know.
Well, I just thought while they're right there.
No, the recipes from my book, Simple Healthy Recipes, and they're just a treat. And
taste
of
one
it.
of these, if that's all right.
Oh, yeah, you'll love that one.
They look great.
Give it a go.
So same recipe, just put chocolate on it.
Same recipe, just put chocolate on them, just vary it up. Do you like them? They're nice. And these are a little bit softer. You notice I took them out of the oven a little bit earlier, so they're a bit fudgier.
But those extra 3 minutes, you just came earlier.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
And these ones are nice and crunchy, but they make all the difference depending on what you want to do. But Anzac biscuits, these are the healthy olive oil Anzac biscuits, and they are amazing.
Yum, how fantastic, Teresa.
Phenomenal job, thank you.
Won't mention anything about how Matt was saying to me, is that a date for the fig?
I was just a bit
They look
curious.
like dates. They look like dates.
They could have been mistaken for a date.
I would have thought they were dates too, and you can just put them in there.
You so much.
You can put them in there. You can put apricots in there as well. I've even put some hemp seeds on my gluten-free ones, just so the girls in the office know.
You're always poised at a moment's notice with derision, aren't you? You're just ready to deride.
No, it was... What I find amusing is he forgets he's got the microphone on, so he says to me, is that a date? Is that a date? Like, I'm pretty sure viewers can hear you saying that. It's not just us here.
Thanks, Teresa.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, Teresa.
You're lovely. You're
You
not.
are lovely.
You're the opposite of lovely.
You can find all of the recipes over on the Sunrise website and more delicious ideas in Teresa's latest book, Simple Healthy Recipes, and on the Healthy Chef app.
It could have been a date. You're watching Weekend Sunrise, our top stories this morning.